Now it's time to reading our environment. The surroundings of a living things make up its environment. Environmental includes living and non-living components. Plants, animals, and microorganisms are the living parts of environment. Soil, water, air, sunlight, and heat are non-living factors of the environment. It may also include man-made things like roads, a dam constructed on a river, bridges, electric poles, and buildings. Many kinds of living things, like in the same region, they depend on each other to survive. For example, rabbits and squirrels depend on plants for food. The eagles and foxes living in the region depend on rabbits and squirrels for food. Living things depend on their environment also for air, drinking water, warmth, and shelter. Thus, living things depend on other living things and the environment of the region to survive. Now, what is ecology? Ecology is the scientific study of relationship of living things with each other and with everything else in their environment. For example, if you are studying about the relationship of the animals living in a grassland have with each other, with plants, with human beings, and with the soil, rainfall, air, and temperature in the region, then you are studying about the ecology of the grassland. Pollution. Human activities have made water, air, and land unclean. As a result, our surroundings have become dirty or polluted. Waste from our homes, farms, and factories has polluted water, air, and land. Pollution damages the environment. The harmful substances polluting the environment are known as pollutants. Every living thing needs a certain kind of environment to live in. For example, coconut trees grow well in a warm coastal regions, while snow leopard thrive in the cold Himalayan mountains. When environment is a damage, all kinds of animals and plants living in the region are harmed. Pollution damages environment and harms life in the region. Air pollution, harmful gases and smoke emitted by factories and motor vehicles pollute the air. The smoke from factories and motor vehicles contains the fine particles of ash, coal, metal, and toxic materials. These are the main pollutants of the air. Fuels such as kerosene, coal, diesel, petrol, and wood emit smoke when burnt. The smoke contains high amount of carbon dioxide gas. The smoke therefore pollutes the air. When plastics, rubber, clothes, and fireworks are burnt, harmful smoke is produced. This smoke too pollutes air. Gases emitted from garbage dumps also pollute air. Effects of air pollution on living things. Air pollution harms all kinds of plants and animals. It can damage our lungs and cause respiratory diseases such as asthma. It can also damage the eyes and skin of the people living in the region. If people are exposed to polluted air for a long period of time, then their heart and kidneys can also get affected. Global warming. When fuels such as coal, diesel, and petrol are burned, carbon dioxide gas is produced, which mixes with the air. Burning of fuels by industries, motor vehicles, and for household purposes has increased the amount of carbon dioxide in the air. Scientists have found that certain gases present in the atmosphere trap sun's heat, and these gases together are called greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases allow heat from the sun to enter the earth's atmosphere but do not allow all the heat to escape. This keeps the earth comfortably warm. Carbon dioxide gas is a major component of the greenhouse gases. An increase in a carbon dioxide gas in the atmosphere will therefore result in more heat being returned to the earth. This would lead to gradual rise in earth's average temperatures. This is known as global warming. Reducing carbon dioxide emission is therefore a necessity. If global warming continues, the average temperature of the earth will keep rising. This will disturb the Earth's environment and harm life on the Earth. Due to increase in a temperature, the polar ice caps will start melting. This can lead to rise in the water level of seas. A rise in the sea levels will submerge several coastal regions. Such regions will be completely destroyed. Reducing carbon dioxide emission is a therefore necessity. Steps to reduce air pollution. Excess carbon dioxide in the air can lead to a global warming. Plant more and more trees. Trees use carbon dioxide from the air to make their food. The government should ensure that factories and motor vehicles are use technologies to reduce the carbon dioxide emissions. Excess carbon dioxide in the air is a harmful. The government should ensure that factories and industries are set up far away from the residential areas. Save electricity as a coal is a burned to produce it. Reduce the use of motor vehicles by using buses and trains to travel. Walk short distances to reduce the use of motor vehicles. Then next, water pollution. Water becomes polluted when harmful substances get mixed with it. Water is polluted mainly by chemical waste from industries and household waste. Human activities that pollute water. First, washing clothes and discarding waste in the rivers, ponds, and lakes. Factories release chemical waste into the water bodies. Pesticides and chemical fertilizers used in a farms dissolve in a rainwater and flow into rivers, lakes, wells, and seas. The untreated sewage allowed to flow into water bodies, it pollute the water. Now, effect of water pollution. Polluted water carries germs as well as poisonous chemicals. If the polluted water mixes with the drinking water, the chemicals in a polluted water cause the serious health problems. The germs can affect human beings and cause diseases such as cholera and typhoid. Polluted water often kills fish and other aquatic animals. It also affects the plants in and around the water body. When polluted water flows over land, it causes the land pollution. Steps to reduce water pollution. Industrial waste water must be treated in a waste treatment plants before it is discharged into a water body. Next, we should reduce the use of chemicals and detergents in our homes. We should not throw plastic and other waste into water bodies. Farmers should use less chemical fertilizers and pesticides. The government should set up effective sewage collection and treatment system. Land pollution during chemical waste, glass and plastics in the soil causes land pollution. Land is polluted mainly by waste generated in industries, hospitals and households. Wastes are of two kinds, biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. Waste such as fruits and vegetables, peelings, leaves and dead plants are biodegradable. Wastes because these things break down naturally and become a part of the soil. Materials such as plastics, glasses, and ceramics do not break down naturally. Once they are discarded, they remain in the soil for many years. Such a waste are called as a non-biodegradable waste. Non-biodegradable waste causes a land pollution. Effect of land pollution. Polluted land can pollute water bodies. This occurs when harmful substances mix with the rainwater and flow into the lakes and rivers. Some harmful chemicals which collect on the land can get into our food through vegetables that are grown on polluted land or by using polluted water. Steps to reduce the land pollution. Waste materials must be disposed of properly to keep the environment clean. Non biodegradable, such as plastic, glass, and certain chemicals, waste does not decompose. It pollutes the soil and water. Such materials should not be dumped in the soil or water. Waste, such as used paper, plastic, glass, and worn out metal object should be recycled to make a new products in factories. Every household should collect a recyclable waste and sell it. This will reduce the garbage that accumulates in our surroundings. Biodegradable waste such as fruit and vegetable peelings should be collected in a pit and allowed to decompose. The decomposed matter can be used as a manure to grow plant. This too will help in reducing waste. Noise pollution. Noise pollution is caused by loud, annoying, distracting and continuous noises. Noise pollution is also called sound pollution. Noise pollution can also cause serious health problems. Some causes of noise pollution are noise made by the motor vehicles, trains and aircrafts, loud and continuous honking, the unchecked use of loudspeakers or music played at every high volume, bursting fireworks that make loud sound, the loud noises emitted by machines in a factories. Effects of noise pollution. Noise pollution can be distracting and harmful. It can even cause loss of hearing. Other effects of noise pollution are sleeping disorders, irritability, heartburn, indigestion, ulcers, high blood pressure, even heart disease. Loud noises frighten the animals too. The steps to reduce noise pollution: do not talk loudly, even in public places. Avoid honking unnecessarily. Avoid playing loud noise or music at functions, parties, and weddings. Stop bursting firecrackers that make the loud sound. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.